It was Newcastle station, now going on home. So you get your ticket, standing on your own. You come the train about 2:44. Couldn't get a smoker, you took another car. Yeah, so you got the end of the line, both had to change. You're standing right behind me, I'm feeling kind of strange. Well, now we got to Mile End Road, and my heart skipped a beat. Running right behind me, I'm shaking in my seat. 2-4 minutes and the train comes through. I'm on the central, I'm looking at you. Woman on the eastbound train. Sometimes I wanna see you again. Well, I couldn't read the paper, I couldn't read the book. Don't take me another look. Got off the train and never looked behind. I can't get you out of my mind. Woman on the eastbound train. Sometimes I wanna see you again. I wanna say for them. If you get the message on the radio, you can write a letter to get in touch with me. You can leave your number with the company. Moving on the eastbound train. Sometimes I wanna see you again.